welcome again, and today's video is on yoga for healthy spine. So let's get started. First asana is Shashankasana. Come into Vajrasana. Make sure your buttocks, spine, your head is in a straight line. Slowly raise your hands above the head. Give a slight backward stretch. Slowly come forward. Rest your palms on the floor. Your head should be between your hands. Breathe normally and relax. Do not strain so much. Try to go as forward as possible and breathe normally. Slowly come back and give a slight backward stretch. Finally, rest your palms on the thighs. Second asana is Marjari Asana. Sit in Vajrasana, raise the buttocks and stand on the knees. Place the hands flat on the floor. Exhale while lowering the head and stretching the spine upward, and inhale while raising the head and depressing the spine so that the back becomes concave. This is one round. Perform 5 to 10 full rounds. Aim at taking at least 5 seconds for both inhalation and exhalation. This asana improves the flexibility of the neck, shoulders, and spine. Do not bend the shoulders, do not bend the arms at the elbows. Keep the arms and thighs vertical throughout. Slowly come back and sit in Vajrasana. Next pose is Happy Baby pose. Lie on your back, fold your knees to the chest, catch hold your ankles with the help of your hands. Now keeping thighs to the chest, straighten your legs and try to keep the elbows as straight as possible. Try to be stable in this position and continuously gaze on your big toe. Be in the position as long as it is comfortable to you. Breathe normally. Slowly come back again to the resting position. Fourth asana is Paschimottanasana. Sit by keeping your legs in front of the body. Your head, neck and spine should be in a straight line. Slowly raise your hands above the head. Give an upward stretch. Take a deep breath in and slowly bend forward while breathing out. Try to catch hold your ankles with your hands, and if not possible, you can catch your big toes. Look forward. Slowly come back. Again give an upward stretch to your body. In the same way, again go forward and try to move a little forward than the previous time. Come back again. Repeat the procedure 4 to 5 times as long as it is comfortable to you. Do not strain so much. Next asana is a spinal twisting asana. Sit with the legs stretched out in front of the body. Bend the left leg and place the left foot flat on the floor. Toes of the left foot should face forward. Pass the right arm through the space between the chest and the left knee and place it against the outside of the left leg. Sit up as straight as possible. Now place the left hand flat on the floor in the way that your foot, buttocks and the hand is in the same straight line. Follow the tips of the fingers of the left hand with the gaze and look over the left shoulder. Do not strain the back. Come back slowly and repeat the procedure on the opposite side. Breathe deeply and slowly without strain in the final position. Practice once on each side, gradually increasing the holding time to 1 or 2 minutes on each side of the body, or up to 30 breaths. Inhale while returning to starting position. Final pose is Pawan Muktasan. Lie on your back. Bend your both the knees one by one. Try to catch hold your legs with your hands. Interlock both the hands and wrap around your knees. Now try to put your nose between the knees and balance on the back. Put your head down, relax, breathe normally. Repeat this procedure 4 to 5 times. Slowly come back in the starting position.